Hey everyone, welcome back to the Edge to Equity channel. And we just wrapped up week 4 of my 25K Apex Prop Firm Challenge. And this marks 1 month officially in the books. And we finished week 3 up $575, but week 4 has proved to be my best performance as of yet. So let's get into it. So before I show you my Edge to Equity performance dashboard, I wanted to show you guys my verified performance results through my Rithmic dashboard. And from October 6th through October 10th, you can see that my net P&L for the week was $664.34. So now let's dive into the Edge to Equity performance dashboard. So here's my Edge to Equity performance dashboard, and I basically created through Excel spreadsheet, which is easier for me to keep track of my performance and see where I'm at currently with my Apex challenge. And this just helps me stay on track and for me to continue to hold myself accountable on where I'm at currently with my performance and where I can make improvements at. So the way I do that is I want to take a look at my total net P&L. I also want to take a look at my wins, my losses, obviously my total trades, win rate, average profit per trade, my profit factor, and then how far I am towards my Apex goal, and then also my monthly return as well. Let's dive into the daily summary tab first, and then we'll take a look at the monthly summary, see where we're at month over month, and then we'll take a look at the dashboard and the equity curve and seeing where I'm at with that too as well. All right, so week 4 performance, we have $664.34 and net profit. Wins are 5, losses total 6, and we have a total number of trades at 11. We have a 45% win rate for week 4. Average profit per trade is $60.39, and then we have the weekly return at 2.53%. So for now, October, currently, I'm up $1,604.06, total 17 trades, and I'm trading at 53%, which is the win rate. And then my average profit per trade is around $94.36. And my profit factor is ridiculously high. It's at 5.22. And as you know, it's definitely not sustainable, but anything over 1 means that you're profitable. And I just happen to have a really good October month, which is always good, but I know that my performance will vary and it's not always going to be that high. Then my monthly return is at 6.51%. The starting balance, we had 25,000. Now my current balance is $26,239.40. Total net P&L is $1,239.40. Total wins is 15, losses 19, which is 34 trades in total. Win rate is only about 44%, but it's still climbing, still profitable. My profit factor for both months is at 1.77, which is very good. Anything over 1 is profitable. And if you can get over 2, it's very exceptional. Anything over 1.5, I would put in that same category. So definitely on the right track as far as my profitability goes and how my edge is playing out currently. And then my profit to Apex goal, I'm just $260.60 away from the $1,500 profit target. And I don't want to get too confident or cocky for this week, but if I can continue to stay patient with my trading and continue to wait for the right setups, then I know that I could pass the Apex challenge sometime this week. Just got to remain focused and stay determined and make the right trades and not over leverage. And here is my equity curve. And you can see that this is mapped out from September 15th through October 10th. So this will continue to update, and for next week I'll show you exactly where my equity curve finishes. So right now the goal is 26,500, and you can see that my equity curve started negative, but we slowly and steadily rose up. So I am pleased with how that looks and where my performance is currently at. The biggest lesson this week for me was patience. And then also what's helped me out too is having to give my commentary on what I'm seeing has really helped me to make things a little bit more clear for me. I can see my setup play out because I'm actually having to explain it instead of having to think it up in my head. So that's had a very positive impact on my psychology and how I'm trading as well. So as of now, I am currently $260 away from passing the challenge and earning my funded account. And my main focus for this week is to continue to remain patient in waiting for my setups and allowing my edge to play out in my favor. And I'll continue to provide you guys my live trading sessions with commentary so that way you guys can keep track of my progress in real time. Thank you guys for watching and supporting my journey. And whether I win or I lose, I want to continue to provide you guys with the truth of my trading journey because growth only happens with honesty and discipline. So if you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And I want to end this with a Bible verse from Galatians chapter 6 through verse 9 that always keeps me grounded, and hopefully it can also help you out as well. Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. So as always, thank you for watching. Take care and God bless.